If you want to store repetitive information, like when you do your scholarship applications, there's information that is going to keep repeating, like your names, your passport number, and all that information. So for you to save time and not have to retype the information for each application, you can save your information on Keep and then just copy and paste whenever you are doing your applications. So first you need to click here under Google Apps and then you scroll down and look for Keep. So basically, Keep is where you take notes, where you keep notes. You can access your notes on your computer or on your mobile. And also, whatever changes you make, they will be signed between the devices that you are using Keep on. So you see on the left, there are notes. This will show the notes that you've created. Right now, we haven't created any note. There are no notes here. You can add reminders. So if there's something that you need to remember from a note that you have done, you can add reminders and then edit labels. If you want to, here you can only edit if you have labels. You can label your notes so that you categorize them, and then you can archive them or delete them. Let me show you how to create a note. There are two different ways of creating a note. First, you click on Take Note. So if you click on Take Note, it will create like a normal note. You can add a title, let's say personal information. You can choose to pin your note so that it can appear at the top of other notes. And then here, then you add information that you use repetitively in your applications. It will depend on what kind of information you want to save, basically. Here you can find formatting options if you want to bold, italic. Here you can play around with the colors, background. This is where you can add a reminder if you want to be reminded about this note. Here, if you want to invite someone to the note, you can add them. And then you can add an image, archive. So the other options, whatever you want to do with your note, or undo. So basically that's how you create a note. So it to appear like this. And then the second way of creating a note is making a list. Sorry. So this is where you can create a list. Let's say list of documents, whatever you want to do. Let's also pin this. Then you can list your documents, personal statement, CV, just like that. So it has the same features as the other note type. So you can just play around. And then if you want to draw, you can draw. If you want to draw your notes. And then also, if you have an image that you want to save under your note, you can also edit as an image. So basically, that's how you use Google Keep to keep information that you want to easily access.